I'll be back before you know it. But guess who's taking care of you today?
Hi, Elmo. We're gonna have so much fun today.
Nina, thank you so much for looking after Elmo when I go into work.
Oh, it's my pleasure. I thought maybe today we'd hit the park. How does that sound, Elmo?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Now, just a heads up, Elmo woke up mighty early this morning, so he's gonna be needing a nap pretty soon.
Oh, no. Elmo doesn't need a nap. No, Elmo wants to go to the playground and play.
Okay, well, tell you what, Elmo. If you take a nap now before we go, later you'll have so much more energy to stay extra long at the park. Sound good?
Oh, okay. Elmo will go pick out a nap time book.
Okay, great. I'll read it to you once you're ready.
Okay.
I'll text you and let you know how he does today.
Oh, I really appreciate that, Nina. It's good to know that we have neighbors, family, and friends like you to help us with our son.
We're all there for each other.
Okay, Elmo's ready.
Great. All right, say bye to Daddy.
Oh, bye to Daddy.
Ah, good one, son.
Bye-bye.
You have fun today, all right?
We will.
Bye-bye.
Oh, boy, let's go.
All right, let's go.